Look, if you clicked on this video, you already know something's wrong. You're tired of being that person who says, "I'll start tomorrow," but never does. You're sick of watching everyone around you level up while you're stuck in the same bullshit loop. And deep down, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So if you're ready to actually change, keep watching. If not, fuck off now and save yourself the time. Weakness isn't about your body, your bank account, or your circumstances. It's about the mental habits that keep you stuck. It's about the little decisions you make every single day that compound into a life you don't even recognize anymore. But it's not the end of this world. You can change this shit starting today. Master these 7 things and you'll become someone you actually respect. Number 1, stop negotiating with yourself. Every time you hit that snooze button, you're negotiating. Every time you say, "I'll work out later," you're negotiating. Every time you choose comfort over commitment, you're training yourself to be weak. Strong people don't have internal debates. They decide and they execute. When you say you're going to do something, you do it. Period. No, but I'm tired. No, maybe tomorrow. No bullshit excuses. If you can't trust yourself to follow through on the small things, how the fuck are you going to trust yourself with the big ones? Start treating your commitments to yourself like they actually matter, because they do. Number 2. Do the thing that scares you first. You know that one particular task which you've been avoiding, that conversation you don't want to have, that goal that feels too big, that's exactly what you need to tackle first thing in the morning. The problem is that weak people run from discomfort, but strong people run toward it because they understand something you're just learning. The thing you're avoiding is the exact thing that will transform you. Every single day, do something that makes you uncomfortable. Difficult conversation, the workout you've been skipping. Whatever it is, stop putting it off. Number 3, cut off your escape routes. When things get hard, you scroll through your phone, binge Netflix, play video games, or find some other distraction to numb yourself, right? Those are your escape routes, and they're destroying you. Delete the apps, block the websites, remove the temptations. I'm not saying never have fun. I'm saying stop using entertainment as a coping mechanism for when life gets difficult. So cut off the places you run to and force yourself to actually deal with your shit. Number 4, stop explaining yourself to everyone. Why do you feel the need to justify your decisions to people who aren't even on your level? Why are you seeking validation from people who aren't going where you're going? Weak people need permission. They need everyone to understand and approve before they make a move. Stop announcing your goals. Stop explaining your plans. Stop seeking approval for your ambitions. Just shut the fuck up and get to work. The right people will see it. The wrong people don't matter anyway. Number 5, embrace being uncomfortable. If you're comfortable, you're not growing. Growth happens in the space between where you are and where you want to be. And that space is uncomfortable as hell. Stop running from hard conversations. Stop avoiding difficult workouts. Stop choosing the easy path because it feels safe. Safe is where dreams go to die. Get comfortable with being uncomfortable. Make friends with the feeling of struggle because that's where all your potential is hiding. So stop avoiding it and start chasing it. Number 6, keep promises to yourself before others. You'll cancel on yourself in a heartbeat, but you'd never cancel on a friend, right? You'll skip your workout, but you'll show up to that meeting on time. You'll break your own commitments, but you'll bend over backwards for everyone else. Your relationship with yourself is the foundation for everything. If you don't trust yourself, nothing else works. So start treating your commitments to yourself like they're more important than your commitments to others. When you build self-trust, everything else falls into place. Confidence, discipline, momentum, it all starts with keeping your word to you. Number 7, act like the person you want to become now. Stop saying one day I'll be disciplined. Stop waiting until you feel ready to start acting like the person you want to be. That day never comes. You want to be strong? Start acting strong today. You want to be disciplined? Start making disciplined decisions right fucking now. Not tomorrow, not next Monday, now. Your actions create your identity. You don't think your way into a new life, you act your way into one. So stop preparing to change and just be the change. Look, nobody's coming to save you. No motivation video, no perfect morning routine, no magic pill is going to fix your life. You have to do the work. You have to make the hard choices. You have to become the person you're capable of being. These 7 things, they're simple. But simple doesn't mean easy. Most people simply won't do them because they're too comfortable being weak. But you're not most people. You clicked on this video because something inside you is tired of settling. So take these 7 things and actually apply them. If you are into becoming better, then subscribe for more no bullshit advice on leveling up.